said to ask you for the nation. So with one voice, we raise a cry. Yeah, the lamentations of the people have gone to God. So we declare that like a bird that's out of a cage, we have escaped, we have escaped. And like a warrior victorious in battle, we have prevailed, we have prevailed. Like a
Gracebreed outreach day, and we are out here in Jahi, in the city of Abuja. And it's been a really beautiful experience for me because I've gotten an opportunity to meet people and to share the love of God with them and to invite them to this beautiful assembly that God has brought us to. The experiences are numerous. I don't even know which one I'm supposed to talk about now, but there's a particular guy we met who insisted that he was already born again before we could start telling him anything at all. But when we got to talking and he saw that we were friendly with him, you know, we decided to use a different approach rather than the normal approach of saying, oh, you need to give your life to Christ, you need to get born again. And getting to be friends with him in the moment, we discovered that this young man was actually in need of a place to worship like this. And he has given us his word that he will be in church tomorrow. I'm not talking about next week. Some people keep telling us that they'll be in church next week. Some will say that they are not really sure about their schedule, but this guy promised us to be in church tomorrow. And he's so glad to join this family. So we give praise to God that we took the bold step to come out by the instruction of the leadership and share the love of God with people and invite them to church because we are seeing results for that singular act of service. Yes, sir. Follow me.
We are raising a standard against the floor. And if you ask me our location, we are hidden with Christ in God. With Christ in God, yes. We are covered by His grace. A strong tower is His name. And like a bird we have escaped.
Gracebreed Believers Assembly. We are here today, workers in Gracebreed Believers Assembly. We are live in Jahi. We came here to share the love of God with the good people of Jahi. We are here to also invite the people to church. So some of us have gone back to church, others are still here. So we've invited persons, we've taken their contact, and the experience has been very good. God has helped us. We have met people who have shown willingness to go to church. We have met Muslims in the course of this. So it has been very rewarding, and we give God the glory. We hope that from subsequent follow-ups and all that, many will benefit even more from this visit to Jahi. But we believe God has begun something here today that will continue, hopefully, in the lives of many for many years to come and even to eternity. We give God all the glory. Thank you.